Welcome to Views of Hope by Paula. Today's message is about the God who turns loss into beauty. Ashes represent what's been destroyed, dreams burned out, seasons ended, relationships lost. But God is not intimidated by ashes. In fact, Isaiah 61:3 declares that He gives beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. What feels ruined to you is raw material for God's restoration. He doesn't waste brokenness, He transforms it. Think of a wildfire, devastating, leaving the ground charred and lifeless. Yet from that same soil, new life sprouts, stronger than before. In the same way, your ashes are not the end. They are the soil for your new beginning. Maybe you've been mourning something you lost. Maybe your spirit feels heavy and joy feels far away. Hear this: your story is not finished. God is writing redemption where you only see ruins. The cross itself was an ash moment, brutal, dark, hopeless. But from those ashes came resurrection, victory, and eternal life. If God brought beauty from the ashes of Calvary, He can bring beauty from yours. Don't despise the ashes. Hand them over. Let Him exchange them for joy, for peace, for purpose. The enemy says ashes are the end, but God says ashes are the beginning of beauty. Today, trade your heaviness for His garment of praise. Trade your despair for His joy. Watch Him create beauty you never imagined. If you believe God can bring beauty from your ashes, type, "My ashes become beauty."